Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can fade the background at the start and also the end of a video in CapCut PC. So here I've already imported a picture along with the audio, and to fade the background, what you need to do is just click on the sound, and in here under the basic menu of the sound, you can see there is a fade in and also fade out. So for the fade in, this is to add the fade effect at the start of the audio. Like this, you can see there is a fade effect on the sound now, and for the fade out is for the end of the video. Like this, you can adjust the duration of each fade effect like this by dragging the panel to the right or left. I'm going to go with 0.5 seconds like this, 0.3, and after that you can listen to the sound by playing it like this. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and click on thanks. Bye.